Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm gonna to show you how to browsing as a guest in Chrome. So guys, if you went to browsing as a guest in Chrome, so very easy. Firstly, open Chrome browser. After click on this profile icon. Now scroll down. After clicking here, guest. You are browsing as a guest. Pages your view in this window won't appear in the browser history, and they won't label other tracks like cookies on the computer after you close all open guest windows. Any files you download will be preserved however. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to browsing as a guest in Chrome browser. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.